Artists, today we are going to make a clay pendant with texture. If you remember, texture is the way that something feels. And a pendant is something that you can turn into a necklace, something that you can wear. So we're going to make a clay pendant today. So we're going to start with a ball of clay, and the very first thing that we need to do is we kind of need to roll this clay into a nice ball. So I'm using the mat on my table. I'm very careful to make sure that my clay stays on the mat and not on the table, because we don't want the clay to stick to our table. So I'm kind of rolling it around to create a ball. I can pinch the clay together with my hands to try to make a ball of clay. And your clay might be smaller than mine, it might be bigger than mine, and it doesn't matter as long as you've got a ball of clay. Once you have your ball of clay, you're going to put it right on your mat, and you're going to use the palm of your hand. So we're not using our fingers, we're using the palm of our hand, and we want to try to flatten that ball of clay to make a nice round circle. So it's going to be nice and kind of flat. We don't want it flat like a pancake though. We want it to be a little bit thick. This is a little thick. If you hold your pinky up, see how my pinky is about that thick? We don't want it any thicker than our pinky. And I think it might be better if I flatten it just a little bit more. So I'm using the palm of my hand to flatten my pendant out a little bit. And if your pendant starts to crack a little bit on the edges, that's okay.